Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip I will show you how to fix face visibility problem in FreeCAD 1.0 when using the default light theme. So with the default light theme you have got the white background, and if you are looking at the faces from the top view, they are also white, so they are indistinguishable from the background, and you also don't see when you hover over them. If I switch back to top, you can see that they are white. This is because of the lighting is lighting the face, and you can see it here on these spheres that the lighting has always the light source behind the camera, and it's creating this specular white part, which means that if I look at the face from the top, it becomes white. So how do I fix this? There are two options how to fix this. The first thing is to adjust the material of the object to change the specularity of the material. So if I want to fix this cube, I will right click with it selected, select appearance, and here I've got appearance of this object. So I will click the custom appearance and material properties show up, and here the important switches are diffuse color, which is the basic color of the material, and the specular color, which gives me how much white this highlight will be. So I will click the specular color and it's set to middle, and I will change it to complete black. Hit OK, hit close, and now you can see that basically now I reduce this specularity of the face, so I can distinguish it from the background easily. You can see if I select this this sphere and I change the specular color to complete black, you can see that the white spot is not as pronounced. So this is what we did with the material. The problem is if you create a new object. So I created this cube. It has got the default material applied to it, so you would have to then again change the appearance of this one. So if I want to have all of my new objects created without this specularity, I have to change the default setup. And to change the default material, I will go to Edit, Preferences, and in the Part Design section, I will click here. I will go to Shape Appearance, and here I've got the properties of the default material. So I'm again interested in the specular color, and I will click here and change it to the black one. Hit OK, hit OK, and now if I create a new object, it has got the material with the specular color set to black, so it's visible from the top-down view. So this is the first option how to handle this problem, which is changing the default material. But if you work with materials in your project, you don't want actually to change the specularity just to see it from the top view. So the other option is to change the direction of the default lighting of the scene. So how do we change that? Again, we will go to Edit, Preferences, and now I will go to the Display section, and here I will go to the Light Sources section. And this one sets up how the light source is lighting the scene. And you can see I will choose this direction. It's basically the direction Z-1 means it's straight behind me, straight behind the camera. So you can try and play with these numbers to change the direction, what works for me is to set the x to 2 and y to minus 0.2, like this. And you can see here that we have changed the location of the light source. And now if I click OK, you can see that these faces that were previously white are now gray, and you can see on this sphere that the light is pointing from the upper left side a little bit, not completely but just a little bit, and it makes it so that these faces are not completely white, and I can clearly see them from the top view or other views. So this is how you can fix the light theme problem of seeing white faces. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.